Hello everybody, my name's Leroy Ellie, welcome to another episode of Trains Out, and today we're at Gatwick Airport on the Brighton Main Line. So today we're seeing services by Southern and Thameslink. Gatwick Express isn't running at the moment because of, well, to help other services running really. That is 700-124, which is working a service from Horsham to Peterborough. Just now 700-111 came through on a service from Peterborough to Horsham. As you can see, platforms 6 and 7 are out of use, so it's a little bit manic. So, let's see what else shall turn up. Okay, the next train to arrive in is the 1624 Southern service to London Victoria. It's a triple lot of 377s. At the front is 377132. I believe this is coming from Littlehampton. 377140 in the middle. And at the rear is 377407. I know that the Pride 700 is either working Brighton Cambridge or the Brighton Bedford and Gatwick diagrams. Hopefully we'll be able to see that within my pastures here. Okay, there are two trains arriving in. First is, well, this is at least one 377. Oh, we have an EasyJet flight coming in. There is another 377 coming in, that's behind this lot. This is off to, oh what a spark, 377-108 off to London Victoria. She is with a pairing companion. 377437 with an owl. God, these things are sparking well, aren't they? And a bit of time with these 377s. It's to me. Okay, 3771 something 140 and 407. I can't even remember. It's 407 and 140. I can't remember the front. Yeah, you're going to get this with this rush hour film. It's also manic because two platforms are closed. And there's already a lot of services that go here anyway, so it's even more congested than normal. That's 377-105, that's off to Littlehampton. That's going to be paired with another 377 of some sort. Okay, it's 377-108 and 377-437 are get ready to go. Coming in is also a terminating Great Western Railway service from Reading. I'm not able to get the numbers because to me it's just a bright light. If I walk up I might be able to actually. Thinking about it. We are 165, 377-105 is also about ready to go. So I'll walk up and get her departure as well. If I can actually. It's 165-101. And 377-105 is now on the move. As we have another EasyJet flight coming in. At the rear is 377-143.
Sutton, Epsom, East Croydon, East Grinstead, London Bridge,
what a spark that was. Yeah, I thought I might pop down for some evening filming instead of the regular daytime filming that I would do. For something different. Okay, now coming in is the Southern service to Eastbourne and Orr. Well, services, East Coast Way and West Coast Way services from London that go via Haywards Heath are running as separate services at the moment. Looks like this is being worked by Southern 377s. Sometimes these are worked by GATX units. At the front is a bunch of bright lights. 377-147. I shall get the rear upon her departure. Okay, after the headlights did some sort of okey-cokey movement, 377-147 is about ready to go. as 165101 is also departing with the 1629 Great Western Railway service to Reading. That's behind me, I believe, in a few minutes. Well, it's supposed to. There's the 1633 to London Victoria. Hopefully be. I'm hoping for a few Gatwick units. At the rear is 377450. Oh, I can in fact see some lights in the distance. How about that? Well, I tell you what, she's sparking gorgeously. Oh, absolute gorgeousness. Whoa, look at that. Okay, now arriving in is a pairing of 377s to London Victoria. I believe this is coming in from Brighton, as I think there's a 700 in the distance. As we have 377 444. Triple up. 377 467 in the middle. Is that our lead? This is kind of up to you where this has come from. At the rear is 377 417. As there's another unit in the distance. It looks like a pair of Gatex 387s working a southern service, presumably to Brighton. We'll have to see. Okay, the 700, of which I can't remember the contents, is about ready to go. As also incoming in is a Thameslink service to Peterborough from Horsham. This is 70152. As here we have the Bright Light service. It was the Bright Light service earlier. With... whoa, cracking spark by 70123. Easy as ABC. As we have a Ryanair coming in. If planes are just coming on the road and then there's not trains, I'm not going to bother too much with them in this film. I want to focus more on the train side this time. As there is, it is a tri-lot of Gatex units working a southern service to Brighton, I think that's it. Okay, the tri-lot of 377s as well is about ready to go. There we go, first mess up. There's another pair of lights in the distance. Well, the front of the Brighton service is 387215, and I'll get the middle and rear when she departs. Okay, now about to go on the move is 387215. She wasn't hanging around for very long at all. Well, at least the doors weren't open for very long. In ever worsening conditions. I am trying to stay up this end of the world as much as I can to try and stay out of the public viewpoint. Well, not quite viewpoint, but stay out of the way of the public, so to speak. 387210 is in the middle. And at the rear is 387203. There we go! She was trying before, but it was a pretty feeble attempt, let's be honest. There we go, that's how you do it. Okay, now arriving in is another pairing of mystical magical lights. It's Gatwick Express 387s. Well, they're Gatex units, but they're working a southern service from nowhere. To London Victoria. With 387222. Nice to see these out in force without actually any Gatex services. 387204. The third one on the rear. There's also a Thameslink 700 coming in. 387216 is at the rear. Thank you, I definitely was not aware of that, even though I'm completely full of sight. I don't have any sight problems. And, it's raining. It's the kind of rain where it's like, I'm about to rain, but not really raining. It's that kind of rain. Oh! And the lights of 70123 have just gone off. Let's look at the carrier's number, but there you go. 700 something. 701 something is a dash zero. I wouldn't be stopping that far up the platform. I hear a plane behind me. It might be taking off. Oh, there's a lorry. Good. Right. Glad we established that fact. Okay, now departing is that 700, so I'm just going to move up and see it. See if I can get the numbers. There's another set of lights in the distance, either that or it's 3 bridges. It's very dark at 20 to 5. Okay, 387-222, 387-204 and 387-216 are now on the move, or about to be on the move. Anyway, to London Victoria. With a decently packed service. Everyone's wearing masks, and the two that aren't are both wearing lanyards, so that's a good thing. And there is another service coming in as well. It's the Bright Light service once again. It's a pairing of Southern 377s to Portsmouth Harbour and Bognor Regis. I can't see because my glasses are 377-426 at the front, and I should get the middle and rear when she goes. My glasses need a wipe. Okay, it's an EasyJet flight appears, 377-426, and her 2 companions are off.
Thank you. We're excellent administration distancing wherever possible.
I can't tell whether it's trains I'm seeing in the distance or whether it's just Free British Station, but 377-135 in the middle. And 377-424 at the rear. Oh, what a spark that was! Oh, that's the one good thing about evening filming, is that you get some cracking sparks, even when it's raining. Actually, when it's raining, it's amplified. Also, 700-149 has also turned up, terminated from Bedford. Okay, now arriving in with a set of bright lights is a pairing of Southern 377s to London Victoria from, I believe, let's say Horsham. I'm going to wing it because this is, this is rush hour, why not? 377-401, oh, this is the unit that failed on me recently, at the front. Surprised this thing's back up and running because it failed recently. At the rear is high capacity 377-139, well, actually low capacity if you consider that most of it's 3x2 seating. And also turning up is and 377-104 as well. Also turning up is a 700 to Cambridge, 700-136. I have no idea where the 377 came from, but I know the 700 is from, right. Think about that then. I should do Clapham Junction in the evening, that would be absolute hell, but I'm willing to do it. Some point. When? I don't know. I may as well not bothered. Oh. She's having a think. The lights definitely went off right after I stopped recording. So I might as well not bothered. Yeah. Also about to arrive in is the 1647 Thameslink service to Horsham. Oh. 700-149 is making noises. There we are. Smash! I'm waiting for that 700 straight. Nothing's behind me. It's just a green light is basically what it is. Oh, I tell you what there is though. There's a 700. You won't believe what that is. Okay, the 700 through there is now departing. There's also a pair. There's also at least a pairing of GATX units in the distance. Walking up here so I can get the number because I won't be able to see it from back there. Can't even see it from here. Goodness gracious me. Nope. 137 was that? Excuse the dodgy camera, right? Oh. Someone departing. There's 147. Okay, you'll never guess who's turning up now. Yeah, no, this is 700. What madness. I can't see a thing. Okay, well, the sparks are doing well. 700, 108. Probably saw it before I did, to be fair. My glasses are so filled with water, it's just madness right now. Oh, trying to get on a nice warm train. Okay, the next train to pass by will be a it'll be some GATX 387 Larky McDoos of some description.
Platform 4 does not stop
Also
here.
behind me is a pairing of 377s and 700 108 is now departing with the Thameslink service to Horsham. 1647 service. Right, okay. 377 will have to wait. So, leading this ECS through is something. 38212. Yeah, they will have to wait. 387-225. Yeah, this is running ECS. And 387-213. There's a flat wheel on there somewhere. Three 771 something is there. I swear I'm going to get royalties from Thameslink for the amount of promotion I'm doing for them. Anyway, this is the 1649 Thameslink service to Peterborough. This is being rated by 700-139. As... Who the hell are you? I have no idea, never come back. Ah, Tui. Or Tui.
Please wear a face covering unless you are exempt, and for social distancing wherever possible, helping us to help you travel with confidence. Please ensure you check
another
before you
set of
travel
lights
at
in the
nationalrail.co.uk.
And
Thank
also
you
about
for
to
travelling
start, there's pairing of 377s, and this 700 needs a real good clean. I mean, I get their trains, but I know they get dirty, but like, come on. Right, it's 377-119. This is when my leg starts to cramp. This isn't good. $377-419 at the rear. Oh, comes in hundreds. What more do you want in life? Oh, there you go. That's better. That's what we want to see. I mean, again, I might as well not bother. Anyway, incoming now is the bright light service to London Victoria. 700-139 is also departing. This is being worked by 377-474. That 700-139 is off to Peterborough. 377-133. This is just mad. Train. 377-160 at the rear, as the camera's going to need a wipe in a minute. It's doing okay. Probably doesn't need my wet hand on it, to be honest. There's a big crane there. You can see where they've been rebuilding platform 7. Okay, the tri-load of 377s are now ready to go. And I think I've actually made my camera worse. Went Yeah, when don't I is the problem. I see another set of lights on the reflection, but I don't know what those lights are at the moment. Okay, now arriving in are at least a pairing of 377s. Eastbourne, so it'll probably be 8, I'm imagine. Whatever it is, there's a number of... Once again, I fail myself by saying bad things. Well, by messing up my words. Incoming now is the Bright Light service, formed of a 700.
East Croydon,
Go to Bedford.
London Blackfriars, City Thameslink, Farringdon, London St.
I swear they're going to give me like royalties for like the amount of trains that I've seen from them today. Hey ho.
and Bedford.
Through the lights is 700 137. What would really be funny is if you, instead of having one, you just have one like this little like thing running around. There's like 3 4-car 700s. That'd be funny. Not gonna happen, but it'd be funny. Okay, 700 137 is about ready to depart. I mean, I like trains, of course, but I'm kind of getting bored of just seeing 700s all over the place. Oh, set a spin off. These 377s are now departing. I think it's 123 and 423, I think it was. Let's check. It was definitely 123 at the front. It was 434. Oh, what a cracking spot that was! Okay, and our final 2 trains of the day will firstly be a Southern service formed of 377s, and the second will be Thameslink 700, or Thameslink, whatever. What do you want? I say both because screw those. Anyway, the tri-lot at the front is 377 156. 377 406 at the rear, middle, even, Berg. 377 117. 700 behind. So as well, 700 pulls in, I shall leave it there. Thank you very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you like what you've seen today, do like and subscribe. Also, leave a comment. I shall get back to them as and when I can at first hand do. First can do. You can do. I can do. Whatever you can do, I can do. Do. Anyway, right. 700. I'm assuming this is 701. This is off to Bedford. Interesting. 70135. So no special liveries today. You've seen enough RHTTs already, and freight trains to be honest. Oh, she's sparking absolutely gorgeously at the back. So as she pulls in, I shall leave it there. It's okay guys, goodbye.